place that once meant everything to you. A reality that felt like a dream. We fell in love. A place you thought would be home. A place you were certain you would build a life in. Memories, connections, self-reflection, emotions. We fell again for each other. Old stories, good and bad. Laughter. Limiting beliefs. Deep sleep. Unconsciousness. The beginning of an awakening. A desire for the truth. We got scared. Big dreams. Creativity. The ego got the best of us. Intuition. And then you wake up from that reality to what you manifested. It hits, but you stand up again. And the birds, they take you where you belong. To unconditional love. To your heart.